Oman is open. This is what we have been waiting for, with patience, hope and faith, the Omani way. And we are happy to tell you that Oman is open for our visitors, our tourists, and we are open to opportunities for business. Yes, we are open to a bright future. Open for happiness, open for craziness. And Omani hospitality is open and affordable to all, from luxury hotels to a tent. Open to the unforgettable experience of camping in the desert, where the silence is deafening and the stars are the brightest. Open to enjoy the incredible outdoors and the magic of Musandam. Open for the stunning beauty of Salalah. Are you open to savor the unique flavor of Oman? You get it? I think you do.
Beauty has an address. Oman.
I believe for a growing country and aspiring country like Qatar, and with our growth and aspiring plans to be a regional hub for an education-based economy and knowledge-based economy, this is the type of forums and conferences will help us jump to the next levels in the future.
I have to say I'm really impressed in how this has been done. The number of topics, or the areas of that are being discussed here and presented, show a wide variety of areas where AI is relevant.
The people that I did network with are definitely from different varied backgrounds. Drilling company, digital marketing companies, some other CISOs from other banks as well. But yeah, I guess it's a good network opportunity when you have people from different environments and different verticals, all talking about the same concept, which is AI.
It's a great experience and a moment to network with people from all these fields, from different fields in education and museums and healthcare that are working on artificial intelligence.
The event was actually meant to gather talented people, and therefore we had a chance to meet a very well targeted audience and had very interesting meetings.
Event is taking place at the right place. Dubai is fast becoming a capital for new ideas. It is becoming a place for innovation. Innovation in different facets of life.
Yeah, it's great. It's packed over here.
Okay.
One of the, better events.
It's an amazing event. I think year on year it actually becomes bigger and it becomes much more mainstream, and we get a lot of more government involvement.
very interesting event, a lot of investors. We are happy to be here. First time our company presented in Dubai. The quality is very high. The participants are really well selected, and a lot of qualified investors here. So it's really fascinating. We are impressed, and we are happy to be here.
Your setup is ridiculously impressive. You know, that screen and the opulence of the place is amazing. So I think that it's an event people are going to want to attend again and again.
So this event has been amazing so far. We're meeting a lot of traditional investors as well as a lot of crypto enthusiasts. And I think compared to the other events that I've attended across the world, this is definitely one of the better ones. And I'm actually cutting out a lot of crazy business deals here, and really excited to be part of this.
This time I decided to sponsor them, and I am absolutely delighted, and I encourage all people who want to sponsor and find real big serious investors, clients, and a good crowd, because people dream about this, and an event that is really run very smoothly from a sponsor side to even delegates.
G today holds a lot of promise because for one, it fuses the IT and traditional systems world with the telecommunication world. With the advent of decoupling of hardware and software, what I liked about the agenda is the focus on the business case and the transformation side of 5G. How is this gonna impact the way we as consumers or the way we as businesses or government industries are transformed with 5G?
I think one of the reasons we were interested in coming here was just not only a chance to talk to the operators in Qatar, but also operators such as Ooredoo and others from the region who have more of a regional footprint.
I'm very glad that I've met several people from the operators here in Qatar, as well as academic institutions around Qatar, where I had a couple of discussions about where should we focus the students, the next generation, what are the main things to focus on.
Very happy to see the likes of Ooredoo and Vodafone being present in places like this, because they will be seen as the vehicle to take 5G around for businesses to benefit from and also the general population.
What I really like about this event is there's a really good mix of people. It's a mix of operators, there's a mixture of vendors, analysts, everyone from different parts of the industry, and that's what's really key, particularly with 5G.
time, speeches have started with the traditional ladies and gentlemen salutation. But today, I find myself in a quagmire. I was wondering whether I have to say ladies, gentlemen, and robots. This World AI Show is a stepping stone to realizing our vision. It is indeed with much pleasure that I can observe this impressive gathering of the brightest brains involved in technology, and I'm certain that this event will lead to interesting business and networking opportunities. But more importantly, it will leave an indelible footprint in our quest to reach our destination by imparting invaluable knowledge, solutions and ideas to Mauritians of all walks of life.
First of all, I would like to thank the whole team of Trescon who trusted us to have this conference the first time in this part of the region, and they worked very hard. Salim has been working very hard because we had very little time to get it organized, and it's been a really huge success, beyond expectation. Quality of speakers worldwide that Trescon has been able to bring to Mauritius, I think we should be very thankful to them.
How was your experience at Dress Code's World AI Show?
Well, it was a good experience because I think that sometimes we just come and learn from others. At least we just work. Sometimes when we just work alone, we think that we're on the right track. But then when I came here, I see so many people that think different things from different perspectives, and then I learned how this could merge with what I have learned, what I have been doing in my company. And then we see what are the points of convergence. And this is what Trescon has been able to give us, that is this sense of collaboration and brings people together just to share ideas and see how we can progress together. And I think that's the spirit of the World AI Show.
It's my first time in Mauritius. It's my first time to be at this event, and I'm very, very impressed with the level of knowledge of the speakers, but also of the audience. The questions that we're getting are very high up.
It's great. We did a lot of really were with my mind. It's really great. Thank you.
Thanks for having me at Trescon's World AI Show. It was a pleasure meeting you. I hope to come back soon.